over the titles, the pictures, the pricing, the description. So let's move on to the pictures. Love that his first picture is a sunset. I'm going through, got a close-up of a couch board. Again, definitely wouldn't make this my third photo. With that being said, let's take a quick look at their descriptions and see what we can see. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We have another great episode for you today. We are actually headed out to Denver, Colorado, the Mile High City, to check out a couple new Airbnbs and to have them battle against each other to see which one is the best new Airbnb. As always, guys, please like, subscribe, and comment below, and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see different. And with that being said, let's jump right into the battle.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Alright, guys, so let's jump right into the battle and let's introduce yourself to the competitors. Please excuse my voice, my allergies have been killing me these past week. But anyways, we are looking at the first place. It is hosted by Tristan. It is an entire home in Denver, Colorado that sleeps up to 10 guests, 5 bedrooms, 6 beds, 2.5 baths. Tristan is going up against Kyle and Jess, another home in Denver, Colorado that holds up to 10 guests, 4 bedrooms, 5 beds, 3 baths. And as always, guys, we're going to go over the titles, the pictures, the pricing, the description. But since both these places are new, we are actually going to be skipping over the reviews. We're going to be seeing if we can see anything that may affect the reviews moving forward. So with that being said, guys, let us jump right in, and we will start with Kyle and Jess right here. Their title is New, Low High Luxury, Walk DT, Updated, Modern, Quiet. And believe it or not, I actually love this title. They tried to squeeze as much as possible into it, and that is very important. So I'm not exactly sure what low high exactly means. I'm guessing that's a specific area in Denver. They're claiming it's luxury. They say walk to DT, which means downtown. Updated, modern, and quiet. I think updated and modern are kind of synonymous. I think they could have left out one or both of those and substituted something else. But overall, really good title. I would love to see a specific amenity nearby or attraction nearby or a specific amenity about their property put into their title. Now we are going to head over to Tristan's. He says 5-bedroom Victorian home, private yard, sleeps 10. Love that he notes that it sleeps 10. Like that he puts that it's a private yard. However, the 5-bedroom Victorian home is a little bit wordy. He could have shortened that by doing a 5BR, something like that. People obviously know it's a home based on the first picture. But that being said, I am going to give the title to Jess and Kyle. So let's move on to the pictures, and we are going to start right in Tristan's pictures here. We're only going to go over the first couple of pictures, but we're going to start with the first 5. As always, these are your lead-off photos, the most important. Love that his first picture is a sunset view of his actual home. This is a great picture, a lot of color contrast, very attractive. Certainly the reason why I clicked on it, but definitely could get a lot of clicks. Then he's got a picture of his living room, his dining room, his living room again, and his dining room again from a different angle. Now I don't really like that, especially in the first 5. You really want to mix up your photos, but overall in your first 10 to 15 pictures, you really want to highlight all the main features of your listing. As we always say, guys, do not do a walkthrough style with your photos. Do not do a tour style. Always put bedrooms, bathrooms, and kind of sprinkle them in as you go. So let's head over to Kyle and Jess's, and here we go. Their first picture is a very beautiful picture of their dining area and kitchen in the background. Then they have a close-up of a coffee maker. Then they have a shower with some nice gold fixtures, then a bedroom, and then a staircase kind of kitchen area. So again, I think this one is actually a very close battle here, because I actually like Kyle and Jess's, how they put different areas of their house, close-ups of the coffee maker, a bathroom, a bedroom, the kitchen, living room. However, I think Tristan's photo, his lead-off photo, is way better than Kyle and Jess's lead-off photo. So for that category, I am actually going to give them a tie. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So anyways, let's check out a few more photos in Kyle and Jess's here. Got a nice fireplace here. I'm going through, got a close-up of a couch board. Again, definitely wouldn't make this my third photo. Definitely would not make this my fourth photo. No. And it looks like at the top here, you see they actually have 75 photos as well. Way too many photos, guys. Even if your place is big, that's just way too many photos. No one's ever gonna go through all of those, including us. We are not gonna go through all of them today. And as you can see, once you're into the photos, they're doing more of a tour style once you're into the photos here, which again, I don't really like. However, I will say, love their design, love their black and gold backsplash, love their fixtures that have that black and gold design. I think that is very sleek and sexy, and I think a lot of people are gonna like it, and they are gonna book your place. So props to Jess and Kyle for their design work. Looks beautiful. And here we go through the pictures, and we still haven't really gotten to a master bedroom yet, or a larger bedroom. Do love how they're putting photos where they actually show what they get, what you get as a guest.
Oh, good. Why, that's very good. Yes, I like that.
So they're setting the table, they're taking a picture with it. That is always something I recommend do. And here we go, we got the first bedroom here. Looks pretty comfortable, but overall this bedroom looks a little bit barren with artwork. Maybe could use a little bit more decor in it. But still, I love their design. I love their lamps. I love their tables. I think overall the design of Jess and Kyle's place is pretty awesome. So anyways, let us pop over back into Tristan's place and let's check out his photo reel and see what we can see here. So here we go. We got the living room here and a lot of wood colors. The exposed brick is nice, but I still would go with Jess and Kyle for design. Their furniture looks a little bit less sleek. I don't know. You let me know what you guys think. However, I love this art on the wall back here. That is very unique art. Always great to put some unique art into your listing. Definitely attracts guests in. Definitely gives your pictures a pop of color. So I love the artwork on the wall here. Dining room looks a little bit crowded, a little bit cluttered. So he may want to declutter a little bit. That plant in the corner there takes up a lot of space. And oh, there's a description at the bottom of that one. A 10-person dining table. Okay, well, I do like how Tristan put some descriptions. I always recommend putting descriptions on all your photos and including things that you cannot see in the photo that the guests are going to get. So make sure you're doing that. Anyways, here's the kitchen area. Looks pretty nice. Updated. Exposed brick is really nice. I like that a lot. Nice backsplash, and they did the backsplash all the way up the wall. That's very good touch. And a smaller bathroom here. This bedroom looks very comfortable right here. We got a window AC unit. However, the decor over at Kyle and Jess's is a little bit better. So anyways, guys, in the overall picture reel, I'm going to step out now. In the overall picture reel, I am going to give it to Kyle and Jess again. Now let's head into the pricing of the actual unit. And for this, I did a weekend at the end of the summer to see where we landed. And let's pull up the calculator here. This holds up to 10 guests, both the properties. And so we are staying from 8-9 to 8-11. And the total before taxes at Tristan's place is $23.20. So we are obviously going to be $232 a guest. I don't really need a calculator for this. I don't know why I pulled it up. Sometimes I have those moments, you know, my head's foggy because of the allergies. I apologize, guys. But anyways, here we go. Let's head over there. We're at about $232 per guest. And now we got to pop back into Kyle and Jess's listing, and we are at about $228 per guest. So as far as price goes, they are fairly comparable. So at this point, I really think it's going to come down to design and comfort as to whether I'm going to choose to stay in a place if their prices are similar. With that being said, let's take a quick look at their descriptions and see what we can see. So Jess and Kyle's description, they have a couple little bullet points here at the beginning. I'm not going to read the entire description, but obviously it says 1 mile to Coors Field, 5-minute walk to Commons Park. I love how they have those bullet points. They do separate their space out by rooms, which is nice. However, again, I really think bullet points is the way to go because people are not going to read these big paragraphs. You could see in the first paragraph, it says 60-inch smart TV. I don't think many guests are getting to that point if they're opening up the description. That's why it's better to do bullet points so guests can flip through it quickly. So anyways, their description is okay. I would say more bullet points needed.
Okay.
And let's head over to Tristan's. So what do we got for Tristan's? He is doing really short description. Definitely needs some more information in here in case guests need it, in case there's something they have questions about. Remember, a lot of guests will not reach out to you if they have a question. They will look into your description, and if they don't find the answer, they may just go on to the next listing and book somewhere else. So his description is a little bit lackluster. Here we go. So again, the listing doesn't offer hot tub usage. I don't know why that's the only thing he bullet pointed. I don't even know why you'd say that. Obviously, if your listing doesn't have a hot tub, it doesn't have a hot tub. But anyways, I think for sure I'm going to actually go with Kyle and Jess's here. And we're going to go, that's a clean sweep for Kyle and Jess, sitting at 3-0 in my book. So despite this leadoff picture, which I think Tristan did way better, I would say Kyle and Jess's listing is head and shoulders above Tristan's, and I would expect Kyle and Jess's listing to do way better than Tristan's coming out of the gate. But anyways, let me wrap up this listing review and we will head to the outro. Alright guys, so that is the battle between Jess and Tristan, the 5-bedroom Victorian home versus the new low-high luxury apartment where you could walk to downtown. Let me know what you guys thought of those two listings. Which one would you have selected? Do you agree with me that it's a clean sweep and Kyle and Jess have won it? And let me know which one you'd stay at. Anyways, as always, guys, hope you loved the episode. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time.